Click power, no response. First, open the back cover of your computer. Put non-woven paper on the screen to protect the screen. Make sure all 8 back cover screws are loosened. Remove the screws from the back cover of the computer. Use the sucker to lift the cover, and insert the plastic card into the gap to lift up the locks on both sides of the cover. Push down to remove the back cover. Lift up the buckle of battery cable. Pull the battery flexible cable. Remove the touch cable screws and gaskets. Lift up the touch cable. Remove the screws from the power connector. Gently pry up the locking cover on the battery board data cable. Remove the 10 screws securing the trackpad assembly. Remove the screws from the battery connector. See the 10 red circles marked in the video. We need to unscrew them. Make sure all 10 screws are loosened. Now it's time to remove the trackpad. Be careful not to lose the gasket. Please turn the computer over. Then tear off the adhesive strip at the trackpad. Tear off all the adhesive strips at the bottom of the battery. Remove the battery slowly. Take out the new battery and red adhesive strip. Attach the red adhesive strip to the back of the battery, 2 strips per battery. Now please lay the new battery flat and align it into the battery slot. Tighten the screw of the battery connector. Remove the protective layer of tape from the cell and align the cell position so that it can stick to the computer. Install the touchpad to its original position. Tighten the 10 screws of the trackpad assembly. Tighten the screw of the power connector. Buckle the touchpad cable well. Install the gasket and tighten the screws. . Insert the battery flexible cable into the computer port. Prepare to buckle the battery's flexible cable. Put the cover on and tighten the screws. After installing the screws of the cover, please connect the charger before turning it on.